Welcome to the second part of the introduction to Sunlearn. The first part was a general introduction to how to get access to Sunlearn, why it is important, what is it used for, how to get access to it, etc. The second part will continue with the lectures. The first part ended with the slideshows lectures that is available and accessible on Sunlearn. The second part will be commenced with the video lectures. This is the lectures that is recorded and placed on Sunlearn for the blended program students that is not on campus on a day-to-day. This doesn't mean that students that are on campus shouldn't come to class because the videos are available in lecture form. Because in class, critical questions are being asked, the discussions are taking place. So it is important to be in class, to ask questions, to engage with the lecture and also the rest of the students. So in order to access the video, you can just click on the specific video that you want to watch, and it will be opened, and you can just press the play button on the video to watch the entire video on Sunlearn. Professor Niall was so generous and kind to give you a number of possible questions for the exam and the test placed on Sunlearn for you to explore, and to watch, and to study, and to view. These questions are specific focused on themes, ideas, arguments that Professor Niall wants you to grasp and wants you to understand. So I would suggest that you do the reading work, integrate the slideshows, and prepare these questions based on what you have read and studied. If you want to open the articles in the books which are crucial in passing or succeeding or completing this module, you need to do all the reading every week in preparation for class and tests and exams. You can click on the document. You can open or download these documents, Koenie Burger, Ian Niall, Milan Niall, Richard Osmer, which is very, very significant authors, which bring practical theology to the contemporary discourse for us today in a very understandable manner. So you can either download the entire folder or open the documents one by one. If you click on a document, it will open in the format Acrobat or Adobe Reader, and you can just click OK. The document will be opened on, and if you can see on the top right hand side, there's an option in which you can print the document or you can save it. I would strongly suggest that if you have no reason to print it, please read it on your computer to save the trees and papers. The important part of the module is to submit your assignments. Now there is 3 assignments to be submitted, one about your calling, one on Sunlearn, on the review that you need to watch, right, based on the movie that you've watched, Son of Man. And then the last one is the Discipleship assignment, which is a Turn-it-in assignment, which you will need to submit on Turnit-in. In order to submit an assignment, you just click on the specific assignment that you want to submit and add submission from your stick, or upload your document that you have typed from your stick, your computer, external hard drive, or on whichever device you've stored it. Upload the document and then submit the document on Sunlearn. The assignment 1 and 2 are submitted on a similar manner, and submission 3 are the most important one, which is a Turn-it-in link. Turn-it-in is a medium or device used to pick up similarities, your similarities, or the similarity of your assignment to those of others. The primary idea of Turn-it-in is to see if your work is authentically yours. The lesson of Turn-it-in is that you need to do your own work, because if your similarity counting is very high to someone else's, it will be clear that you have used, cut and paste, either the same assignment as someone else or the same ideas as someone else. You will be subjected to disciplinary hearing, or you can get 0 for your assignment. So please do your own work. If you click on Turn-it-in, you will you upload the document the same way as you did for the previous 2 assignments. The only difference is you will be able to see the similarity count of your assignment. The journals, every week you will have a journal that you need to submit, which count great marks for your module, and which can either help you or increase your final mark to a cum, an A, or decrease your final mark if you do not submit it to either a fail. So I would kindly suggest that you do all your journals. You can open a journal guideline which will assist you on how you need to do the journal, what you need to do about it, and how you need to go about doing the journal. All the information of the journal submission are on there. So please make time of it to thoroughly go through it and to explore the detail on how to do it. You can submit your journal the same way as you submitted your 2 previous assignments by just uploading your file from your external hard drive, your storage device, to the journal 1, 2, or 3. I want to thank you for watching this video and participating in this module. If you have any concerns or questions regarding any part of the module, please feel free to send me an email, stop me on campus, ask me for a meeting or setting or a sitting or session, just to ask questions, to discuss the doubts that you have, the uncertainty that you have. Please, that will also contribute to you either understanding what is going on or not. Your success of this module can only be guaranteed if you participate fully and attend all classes, complete all tasks and assignments, and most importantly, do all your reading and ask questions where uncertainty and concerns emerge. Good luck with this academic year and enjoy the experience.